all, this is how we jive from us Communication. Here I'm again with another video. iOS 26 beta version recently released and we have already in my phone. So we're gonna see what's new we have. First we'll check the version here. If you want to know how to download this version, you can check the video description. Here you can see now you have iOS 26 version, that is 97i. If you see the beta version, the difference, previously it was G at the ending, that is beta 3. Now we have I at the ending. Another important change you can see in wallpaper. If I put a new wallpaper, here we go. I hit add new one. If I add this iOS 26 new wallpaper, you see the light of this one will change. Before you didn't have, so now it will change according to the day and night and different color. Can leave you dark option as well. Beautiful. One of the new feature you can have in beta 4, if somebody call you from unknown number, a spam call, Siri will automatically answer and ask the person what is the purpose of the calling. Very good. Or Siri can stay silent, you can activate what you want to do. For this you have to go to setting. In setting you have to find phone option. So here we come to phone, go inside the phone. Here you can see the first option, you can see never respond to unknown phone. The second one, ask reason for calling. So Siri will ask why the caller is calling you and Siri will give you a notification about the purpose of the call. And the last one is silent. Don't do anything about it, leave it as it is, it will ring and will cut. So this is one of the feature. And when you move, you see behind how the finishing is changing with the color. So the lock screen, how they look. Let's move, you see how this one side by side, you can see how they are moving. Obviously in beta 4 immediately you can see is more clear. If you see at the edges here, it's become more darker, but here the watch is more clear to read. Look at here how it was, how it's going inside, more blurry effect. Now how it is, less blurry, more readable, you can read more. So let's open the camera option. I hit here. So you see something new camera design, it says. I see something beautiful down here. Style of photo. You can change different style of photo over the camera. You see how it is. Before I put here photo, I put style. It was little bit differ. You can see side by side the styles. I think there are more styles available. You see how many of them? Much more. Here it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 styles, and now 35 tone or style is available. And you see at the top also says color. Many information is written at the top. You can see how it is 35 tone of color. Can change many ways. So in camera we have a big change for sure. After that, if we go to apps drawer, if we come to apps drawer, let's see the velocity. This is iPhone 15 Plus version. It's fast, and this is 16 Pro Max. So processor would have something to do with that. But let's see here. Feel more faster here, or you guys will decide. Beta 3 or beta 4, obviously beta 4 improve in that case. Now you can see at the top immediately more glossy finishing here. So liquid glass is back. At the middle more it was blurry sort of effect. Now more liquid glass. And beta 3, it was fine, but I prefer the new one, more updated one. Now if we click any application in this case, you see here appear most recent at the top now. Before it was down. And other option, these are at the top. How you can change how it will look, it changes the placement. In the Safari, you can see how it is. Here you can see at the bottom this side. If we move, the size also changes. Light white effect, something as a cloud visible. Here you have very less this effect, but when you go down, it changes also the effect. Here is more stays on that. Let's see here. Put this one, this stays at the corner. In this one, if I move, this is at the middle. So there are some differences here, not a major difference I would say. More or less they look the same. Customize option, if we click customize option, they're the same at the bottom. Customizing, there is no new customizing option available. The more or less they are the same before. Auto night here, it was almost the similar. Other places more or less they look the same. If I move, if we go from up, slide down the control panel, so they look quite similar. If you ask me, I'm moving around here to see, they look quite similar. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.